thinking on doing right now is just kind of providing the groundwork, like placing on paper what I'm planning on doing, like with the planes that I'm going to use for like the ground for this setting. Because we can do a lot of things with it. We can perhaps do like a beach type area with water. I'm not going to worry about rendering out the special effects of water that Blender can do, because Blender can do that. Really neat stuff. With this dune, we place a couple palm trees and just stuff that you'd find on the beach. And it would just be a drawing. And with this drawing, you could scan it into the computer, and then we would place the drawing on a plane in Blender, where the land rises, make it kind of a leading up a hill, and just kind of create a setting in that regard. Initially, it is just going to be outside settings, because there are a couple things that we can show with the outside. We can show what it looks like on a sunny day with the hard shadows, and so in time we place an object on our plane, we'd make our sky. I'm going to be showing how to do that here, as well as the light that hits in the objects would cause a shadow, make it look like these objects are in daylight. If it's an overcast day, the shadows are softer. I'm not dividing these tutorials up into lighting and textures and model making, because we're going to be doing this by repetition. I'm not just going to end it by going, okay, we got done with our little project here, because then we can think of another set and more lighting and different objects we learned through repetition, even though it's a slight modification, slight difference in what we've done before. Trust me, folks, you'll feel like professionals after doing this. I'm saying this as a Blender noob. I'm learning right along with you. I'm trying to learn it and share it. I'm going to call it good for today with that. I just wanted to explain a little bit that there's a little bit of preparation work before we get into the actual modeling. We're going to be basically creating a 3D storyboard. So, that's it for today, and I will talk with everybody tomorrow. I'm late again. I needed to really put an alarm clock in my bathroom, because I wake up on time, but I take longer than I need to in the shower. I'm trying my best here to shave as many minutes as possible. Well, considering the yt3d interface there, it is a relatively simple fix because of the pop-out screen. The last thing that we need is to be discouraged when we're trying to watch the 3D videos on YouTube. The best way to fix that yt3d bug is to use one of the pop-out screens on the YouTube page, and it should show the 3D version, 3D format correctly. Sorry to report this, but I gotta go, and I gotta get to work here, and I will talk with everyone tomorrow.